Join me as I challenge myself to create a fully wireless setup for Pro Diagnostics. Let's see if I can pull it off. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and it's all about wireless diagnostic tools. These game-changing devices are making it possible for professionals to diagnose and fix vehicles faster and more efficiently than ever before. No more being tethered to a laptop or limited by the length of a cable. Traditional wired diagnostic tools have been the norm for far too long. They've got their limitations, and we all know them. For one, they severely restrict mobility. You're stuck in one spot, tied to your laptop or scan tool, and that can be a real bottleneck when you're working on a busy garage floor. You've got to navigate a maze of wires, which can get tangled or damaged, causing more problems than they solve. Time is money, and when you're dealing with a backlog of cars to diagnose, every minute counts. Wired tools just can't keep up. The impact on your workflow is significant. You've got to plan your day around the cars that need to be diagnosed, and which ones can be done quickly. It's a juggling act, trying to get as many cars in and out as possible while dealing with the constraints of wired equipment. And what about those hard-to-reach areas? Forget about it, you're stuck with a solution that just doesn't cut it anymore. Wireless diagnostic tools are changing the game. They're like having a superpower in your hands, the freedom to move wherever you need to go, diagnose whatever you need to diagnose, without being tethered to anything. They're incredibly easy to use, with interfaces that are intuitive and straightforward. That means less time spent figuring out how to use the tool and more time spent actually fixing the problem. With wireless tools, efficiency goes through the roof. You can quickly scan a vehicle, get the data you need, and move on to the next one. No more wasted time, no more hassle. Your workflow becomes smoother, more streamlined, and you can tackle more jobs in less time. Plus, these tools are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, so you've got the flexibility you need to work on anything that comes into your shop. I've seen it firsthand, the transformative power of wireless diagnostic tools. A colleague of mine made the switch to a wireless setup and saw an immediate impact on his workflow. He could move freely around the garage, diagnosing cars without any hassle. His efficiency increased, and so did his customer satisfaction ratings. The result? He was able to take on more work and grow his business. That's the kind of freedom and flexibility that wireless diagnostic tools offer. So, what does the future hold? With wireless freedom in diagnostics, the possibilities are endless. It has the potential to revolutionize the industry, making it easier for professionals to do their jobs and provide better service to their customers. If you've had any experiences with diagnostic tools, whether wireless or traditional, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out my other video on the top diagnostic tools you need in your garage. Bidirectional Scan Tool Diagtool VD70S 2025 Wireless OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool with 36 plus resets, FCA AutoAuth, can FD and do IP, all system, ECU coding, PMI, VAG guide, 3 years update. Brand Diagtool. Operating System Android 10.0. Automotive Fit Type Universal Fit. Display Resolution 1024 by 600. Manufacturer of Diagtool. Enhanced performance, wider vehicle coverage, the VD70S OBD2 scanner offers fast, reliable and affordable professional diagnostics for both DIYers and professional technicians. Powered by a long-lasting 18.25 watt-hours battery, it supports CAN FD, DUIP, and FCA protocol, ensuring compatibility with 100,000-plus global vehicles. The upgraded V2.0 diagnostic report allows shop to add logo, customer details, and repair attachment, perfect for boosting credibility and streamlining workflows. With superior performance and broader vehicle compatibility, the VD70S car scanner keeps you ahead in automotive diagnostic. Pro features, home mechanic budget, why pay thousands for dealer tools? The VD70S scan tool delivers advanced professional diagnostic at an affordable price, including 30x faster 66 feet wireless scanning, 4,000 plus active tests, 36 plus hot services, ECU coding, PMI function, and OI level full system scan with 8-in-1 data graph. It rivals expensive shop tools, perfect for DIYer, technician, and small shop. Get dealer-grade power without the cost. The VD70S OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool makes Pro Diagnostic accessible to all. True bidirectional control for precision repair, VD70S car diagnostic tool gives you direct vehicle module control to test components like fuel pump, injector, AC clutch, window and more, enabling you to accurately and quickly locate faulty components. Unlike basic code reader, our advanced bidirectional functionality lets you actively command system, like triggering the ABS pump to confirm your fix worked. With pinpoint component testing and real-time validation, you can diagnose intermittent issues faster and prevent costly return visits. The VD70S transforms complex diagnostic into precise, time-saving repair, giving professional-grade accuracy at an unbeatable value. 66 feet wireless freedom, no cable, no limit. Experience ultimate diagnostic flexibility with the VD70S scanner's industry-leading 66 feet wireless range. Move freely around your shop without losing connection. Unlike constrained wired tool, our dual-mode design includes both stable wireless operation and optional wired connectivity for latency-sensitive tasks. Professional technicians love how this wireless freedom revolutionizes bidirectional control. Being able to activate components while moving around the vehicle is a game changer for complex diagnostic, certified master tech. VD70S eliminates cable clutter while delivering rock-solid stability. Powerful and affordable auto scanner with 36+ special functions. Take control of your vehicle maintenance and save hundreds in shop fees with the VD70S car diagnostic scanner. This advanced car tool performs 36+ hot services including TPMS reset, throttle body relearn, ABS bleeding, and electronic parking brake adjustment, all without paying $150+ per service at dealership. Besides, the VD70S unlocks 200+ vehicle-specific functions by tapping into the system menu in the diagnostic results, handling everything from basic reset to complex calibration. Text us your VIN plus what you need and we'll check the compatibility. OI-level full system diagnostic, simplified workflow. The VD70S bidirectional scanner delivers OI-level full system scanning without the dealership cost. Easily view 8 live data streams, retrieve freeze frame, and run active tests to quickly identify problem. With advanced bidirectional control, test components like fuel injector and sensor directly to verify repair with certainty. The 8-in-1 graphing tracks performance trend to catch intermittent issue like a pro. Whether you're a technician or car owner, the diagnostic scanner provides shop-quality diagnostic to optimize performance and prevent costly repair, all in one affordable tool. ECU coding and PMI and VAG guided function. VD70S is a powerful car scanner diagnostic tool for both enthusiasts and professionals. Black check mark emoji. It supports ECU coding, allowing you to match new ECU to optimize performance in vehicles like for VW, for Audi, for Skoda, for Mitsubishi, for Benz and for BMW. Black check mark emoji. The PMI function simplifies module replacement for Ford, for Mazda and for Lincoln vehicles by transferring configuration data seamlessly. Black check mark emoji. With VAG guided function, enjoy step-by-step guidance to quickly diagnose complex issues for VW, for Audi and for Skoda vehicles. This auto scanner delivers professional-grade vehicle diagnostic without the shop repair cost. Global ready and future-proof diagnostics. The VD70S bidirectional scan tool supports 15 languages for effortless worldwide use. With CAN-FD, DUIP, and FCA protocol coverage, it diagnoses 99% of US, European, and Asian vehicles, including the latest models via regular updates. Whether you're a mechanic or DIYer, enjoy barrier-free diagnostics, no language limits, just smooth, professional-grade scanning anywhere.